Hello everyone, welcome back to Expert Medical Coding. In this video, we'll continue learning the Neoplasm Chapter Specific Guidelines Part 2 with clear explanation and easy examples to help you understand and apply the rules correctly. So let me first read the guideline and then I'll break it down step by step in a simple and easy way. So let's get started with the first guideline, and that is admission or encounter for treatment of primary site. If the malignancy is chiefly responsible for occasioning the patient admission or encounter and the treatment is directed at the primary site, designate the primary malignancy as the principal or first sister diagnosis. The only exception to this guideline is if the administration of chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or external beam radiation therapy is chiefly responsible for occasioning the admission or encounter. In that case, assign the appropriate Z51 category code as the first listed or principal diagnosis, and the underlying diagnosis or problem for which the service is being performed as a secondary diagnosis. Now that we have read the guideline, let's understand this in a clear way. So if the cancer at the primary site is the main reason for the admission and treatment is directed at that site, then you assign the primary malignancy as the first listed or principal diagnosis. For example, the patient is admitted for primary lung cancer and the treatment during the admission is directed at the lung itself, such as performing a lung biopsy. So then the lung cancer is assigned as the principal diagnosis. But here is the exception you need to remember. If the chief reason for admission is the administration of chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or external beam radiation therapy, you do not assign the cancer as principal diagnosis. Instead, you assign the appropriate Z51 category code first, such as Z51.11, encounter for antineoplastic chemotherapy, or Z51.12, encounter for antineoplastic immunotherapy, and then code the underlying malignancy as a secondary diagnosis. Let us see an example here. A patient with primary lung cancer is admitted solely to receive chemotherapy. No surgical or other cancer-directed treatment is performed during this admission. Because the chief reason for admission is chemotherapy administration, the encounter for chemotherapy is assigned as the principal diagnosis here, not the cancer itself. Cancer code need to be coded as secondary code. So the principal diagnosis here will be Z51.11, that is encounter for antineoplastic chemotherapy, and the secondary code is C34.90, that is malignant neoplasm of unspecified part of unspecified bronchus or lung. So remember, if the treatment is directed at the primary cancer site, code the primary cancer first, and if the admission is for chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or radiation therapy, assign the Z51 category code first and list the cancer as secondary. Now let's move towards the next guideline, and that is admission encounter for treatment of secondary site. So when a patient is admitted because of a primary neoplasm with metastasis and treatment is directed toward the secondary site only, the secondary neoplasm is designated as the principal diagnosis, even though the primary malignancy is still present. If the patient has a primary cancer with metastasis, but the treatment is focused only on the secondary site, then the secondary neoplasm is coded as the principal or first sister diagnosis. Even though the primary malignancy is still present, it is not listed first in this case because the treatment is directed at the secondary site, not the primary cancer. Instead, it is reported as an additional or secondary diagnosis. Let us see an example here. A patient with primary lung cancer develops brain metastasis. The patient is admitted and treatment is directed only to the brain metastasis, such as percutaneous biopsy of the brain is performed. Since the focus of care is at the secondary metastatic site, that is brain, the secondary malignant neoplasm of the brain is assigned as the principal diagnosis, and the primary lung cancer is coded as a secondary diagnosis. So here you'll get principal diagnosis as C79.31, that is secondary malignant neoplasm of brain, and secondary code you'll get it as C34.90, that is malignant neoplasm of unspecified part of lung. So here the secondary diagnosis depends on whether the lung cancer is active or a past condition. If the lung cancer is still present, active or under treatment, assign a current lung cancer code, that is from the C34 category, and if the lung cancer has been completely eradicated, treated and is no longer active, assign a personal history of lung cancer code, that is Z85.118. Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.